Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to read a Morningstar report. First, locate the report for your desired investment on the Morningstar website. These comprehensive documents offer a deep dive into various investment vehicles, including stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. They are designed to help you make more informed decisions by presenting complex financial data in an organized, accessible format. We'll cover the essential sections you need to focus on. Next, let's navigate the key sections. Begin with the Analyst Report for a concise summary and Morningstar's qualitative assessment. Then move to the Performance section, which details historical returns, often showing data for 1, 5, and 10-year periods. This helps you gauge consistency. Finally, the Portfolio section reveals the underlying asset allocation and specific holdings, giving you insight into what the investment actually owns. Now let's decode the ratings and metrics. The Morningstar rating, a 1 to 5 star system, assesses past risk-adjusted performance, with 5 stars being the best. Pay attention to risk metrics, which illustrate how volatile the investment has been compared to its peers. Also, the expense ratio is crucial. It represents the annual operating costs as a percentage of assets, and a lower number, perhaps below 0.5%, is generally better for your returns. To apply what you've learned, use these reports to compare different investments side by side, focusing on metrics like expense ratios and risk levels. This helps you select options that align with your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, a well-informed decision is a better decision for your portfolio. Also, for those looking to stay refreshed throughout the day, check out the Oala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.